welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Ulta Beauty Advent Calendar. If you do want to see a review and a demo, please keep watching. Here's a closer look on what the Ulta Beauty Advent Calendar looks like. It is a garland. Here's what the front of the box looks like, well, sideways. It says Ulta Beauty up here at the top. It says 12 Days of Beauty down here on the bottom. On the back, it tells you a little description here. You have all of the items included, the ingredients included, and then right here on the bottom, it does tell you how much it is with the barcode. This retails for $20. It does say here it's a $75 value. I've never tried the Ulta Beauty brand before, so hopefully it's good. I do want to read a little bit about the Advent Calendar on Ulta.com. It does say this beauty garland countdown is a perfect gift for you or anyone makeup obsessed. Inside Ulta, each 12 Days of Beauty box is a deluxe size limited edition beauty surprise. Try not to peek. After revealing the surprise inside, close the box back up and use as a festive decor. It tells you what the kit includes, but let's go ahead and open this up. Here's what the garland looks like. It's so pretty. I love the little boxes. Some boxes are a little bit bigger than others. It's very pretty. I love the packaging. It's so unique, and this is a cardboard packaging. So let's open this up. I don't want to rip the packaging because I do want to use it again. Have an Ulta Beauty product. Well, this entire kit is from Ulta Beauty. Here's a closer look on what the chrome eyeshadow duo looks like. And here's what the back looks like. So let's swatch these. Here's what they look like. Very pretty. Here's what those two shadows look like. It's not bad at all. I love that the little garland is in order. That way you don't have to go hunting for your box. But let's see what day number 2 looks like. We have day number 2. I guess I'm gonna have to rip the packaging because I can't save this. We get another eyeshadow, but this is a matte eyeshadow. And then here's what the back looks like. So let's swatch these matte shades. They are very pigmented. Moving on to day number 3. Looks like we get a lip product. I thought it was a lip product, but it's actually an eyeshadow crayon. So let's see what this looks like. Not something I would typically reach for. We got into day number 4. This looks like a lip product for sure. It's the Ulta Beauty Plumping Lip Oil. It's so adorable. It's a deluxe size. It's a clear gloss. I'm not getting a peppermint scent, but let's try this out. I just removed my chapstick, so now let's apply this on the lips. It's super shiny. I'm not getting a tingling sensation with this lip plumping oil. It just feels like a normal lip gloss. Let's see what's in day number 5. Looks like I dropped it. It's a lipstick. It doesn't say what shade it's in. That lipstick is so pigmented. It's very pretty. It smells a little bit like Play-Doh. Like a weird scent to it. I actually really do like this shade. Here we have day number 6. I have another jumbo stick, but this is a brow highlighter. I never highlight my brows. I can probably use this as an eyeshadow or a highlighter. Here's what day number 7 looks like. It's a smaller box. Another lip product. Here we have the Ulta Beauty Lip Gloss. Let's see what this looks like. The lip gloss shade doesn't have a name. It just says 340. I don't think that's the shade name. I don't know why it says 340 on the back. It says $3.40 on the lip gloss, it says $3.40 on the lip oil, and it says $3.40 on the lipstick. I like that the lip gloss isn't that pigmented. It's gonna work well on all skin tones. Moving on to day number 8. We get another lip product. Here we have the Ulta Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. Let's see what this looks like. This shade is a little bit too pinky for me, but I can definitely see myself placing this in the center of my lip. We have 4 more boxes left. We're almost done. Here we have day number 9. Oh, this is a face primer. Here's what the face primer looks like, and here's the back. Again, it does have that shade number in $3.40. I don't know what that is. Let's see what the face primer looks like. Okay, it's clear. It does feel kind of silicone-y. Face primer is a mattifying primer. I'll definitely be testing this out and I will keep you guys updated. Here we have day number 10. This is a blush duo. How pretty. Look at that. Here's what the back looks like. Let's swatch the little blush duo. It's adorable. Blush duo does seem very pretty. It does seem a little bit chalky. Let's blend it out a little bit. We'll definitely apply the blush on our cheeks later on. Here we have day number 11. Here we have a highlighter. It's pretty. Here's what the highlighter looks like. Let's swatch it. Ooh. It's really pretty. I like that the highlighter does have an embossment of a star. It's really pretty. Here's the last one, day number 12. Here we have a makeup setting spray. Here we have all of the products included in this advent calendar. Let's go ahead and create a look. We're first going to be applying the blush duo. I'm going to be taking this peachy shade using an eyeshadow brush since I know my blush brush is not going to fit in there. It's really pretty. Let's see what it looks like. Let's actually try it with my blush brush. Barely fits in there. Can you guys even see it? The peach shade doesn't even show up on my cheeks. Let's see what the other one looks like. Again, taking an eyeshadow brush. It has a lot of kick up. Can barely see it. I'm going to try it again using my blush brush. You can't even see it. There we go. Now the blush is showing up. I just used my blush brush and I just went in like this. And I just applied it to my cheeks. That's how I'm getting pigmentation. It's a pretty blush duo. Let's test out the highlighter. Taking my highlighter brush. Oh wow, I think I took too much. Wow, this highlighter is blinding. I need to calm this down. There we go, the highlighter is more wearable now. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes, taking the matte eyeshadow into this brown shadow, buffing that in our crease. I like that brown shade. Taking a flat brush, we're going to dip into the second shadow, pack this all over the lid. I thought the shadow would be more of a cream. Taking my finger, we're going to dip into the chrome shadow, the more golden shade, just applying this to the center. Taking a small pencil brush, we're going to dip into the pinkier, goldeny shadow, placing that in our inner corner. Taking it up to the lid just a little bit. So far, I really do like how the eyeshadows did perform on the eyes. I really did like the blush duo and how blinding the highlighter was. So these are a yes. The next item we're going to try on is the eyeshadow crayon. I'm just going to be applying this to my waterline just a little bit. This eyeshadow crayon is not the best. I would not recommend. The next product is a brow highlighter. I never do this. It looks kind of harsh, so I'm just going to blend it out a little bit using an eyeshadow brush. Can you guys even see the brow highlighter? The next product we're going to apply is the lipstick. Like I did mention earlier, the lipstick does have Play-Doh scent to it. In the center of my lips, we're going to be applying the matte liquid lip. On top of that, I'm going to be applying the lip plumping oil. On top of that, we're going to be applying the lip gloss. The next product we're going to be using is the Ulta Beauty Makeup Setting Spray to lock everything in. Let's see if the sprayer is good. It smells really good. I really do like the makeup setting spray, even though I used all of it up. Well, almost all of it up, but yeah, I really do like the makeup setting spray. It does smell very good. Last product I wasn't able to use is the mattifying face primer, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated in the description box down below. Here's how the makeup look turned out. The only thing that I think that was missing in this advent calendar was a mascara. I definitely think that would have brought the eye look together. I'm going to be applying a little bit of mascara. I would highly recommend the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Advent Calendar. I definitely think the products were really good. They did perform well on the eyes and on the face. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.